And this is the part where I messed up. Yeah, guys, Gowon, one and only. We have to go with this to finally be ready to continue, because last time I missed and I jumped straight onto Olivia's solo, so this time I'm finally catching up with Gowon and her song. It's titled One and Only, I guess, or maybe it's a teaser title, but let's just see. Okay. Okay. Creepy. Ooh. Scary. Blue colors. Oh my gosh, this was... That was so creepy, I just got scared. Okay, a lot of blue colors. Interesting. I can see two ways that this song can go. It's either going to be super bright and catchy pop, or it can go very dark way. But based on the snares and based on the melody, I can say that this is probably the first way. But the visuals, man, this was so creepy when everything turned black. I thought that she was staring right at me, and then finally the door opens and you can see her face. Oh my gosh, I got scared for a second. I also see the table. There has to be probably like 12 plates, right? A lot of food. A lot of symbolism that I'm missing for sure, probably. And by the end, you can see the apple falling to the ground. Intriguing, interesting. And why this video is vertical, I wonder if the music video will be this way too. That would be very interesting and strange. Okay guys, it's time to finally watch the full and listen to the full song. 2018, 29th of January. Okay. So interesting. Mix of vertical and horizontal. Ooh. Okay. This song is good. This is amazing. I just sometimes want to sing along, but I'm stopping myself right on time. Okay. Interesting. Oh, here we go. How many of them are here? Okay. Man, this song grew on me already. Ooh, what an amazing transition that was. The melody is so good. Oh, let's rewatch this, guys. Some scenes I have to. At first we can see Chu here. I don't know who's this, maybe If. Okay, who's there? Oh wait, I thought there were Loona members, but they are just backup dancers, I think. So here we have only Eve and Chu for now. Olivia's not here because she's not yet revealed. Okay, then look in the end, the final scene. This time, this place is empty. There's no table, no food and things like that, right? And what I find intriguing is that not the whole music video is vertical, right? Some scenes, they are, I mean, most of it's in vertical, but some scenes are like this. They are horizontal, right? Wait a second, let me... Yeah, some of the scenes are horizontal. And I think... And you know what this reminds me of? Maybe I'm reaching, but Hyejin's first music video, like Vivid. But with her, it was like white borders, right? So does this have to do something with that? I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe not. Please explain to me. And I'm missing probably a lot of stuff too, but yeah, I'm down to discussion. The track is amazing, the visuals are insane, everything else is just... It works so good, yeah. That's why I think that this is definitely going to my playlist, One and Only, yeah, easily. Maybe I prefer Olivia's song a little bit more than this, but still this is an amazing track too. If we consider this song in a vacuum, right? Aside from the lore, aside from the visuals and stuff like that, Loona universe, right? This just works very well in itself. Like, that's why I think this song a very good choice for her, and it really accentuates her vocals at first. And I think this is her style for sure. Like, you can see that she's comfortable with it and she can express herself however she wants. Wow, go on. Finally, I saw you and I met you, and I cannot wait to continue, guys. Let's go ahead together and let's watch what's coming next. Thank you for watching right now, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.